Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 15 minutes, so I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential trade opportunity. All right, I am looking to buy at 145, so I'm watching those numbers over there. I want to see that change to 145 and then see that white line turn to green. Green means I have been able to buy. So white means I'm trying to buy. Green means I have been able to buy. And I am doing options here. If you don't know what options are, just comment below option guide. And I will link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. It'll walk you through terminology, how they all work, and give you a good firm foundation. I know sometimes people are intimidated by options, and they can be made very complicated, but they don't have to be made that way. I approach them in more of a simple, straightforward way. So if that's how you like to approach things, then I'm confident that guide can help you out. So again, just comment below option guide, and I will link you to that class. All right, I will pause and I'll keep a close eye on it and see if this thing wants to, well, now it's starting to come back down. So maybe that one's not going to work out, but we'll see. I'll go ahead and pause. All right, going to go for a put here at 138 and too slow on that one. It's already coming down. Let's see how this candle closes and then I may still be interested. I will pause. Have an order at 155. Nope, not filling me. I'm going to go to 145 now at this junction in time. Now I'm at 145. See if it wants to come up a bit more. Looking to buy a put option. Watching these numbers right here. It may seem like 145 is far away, but these numbers can move quite quickly. All right, I'll pause. All right, going to try for 150 here now instead. I'm jumping the gun. I got to see how this candle first closes. Getting a little anxious on this one. Like I said, got to see how this candle right there closes. Seven more seconds before a new candle starts. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, new candle will start to form. Yeah, so that's not quite of... All right, I'll pause, but I'm watching it like a hawk. Gonna go for call here at 135. In there at 135 for a call. And out for a $200 loss on that one. Well, that did not really stop where I thought it was going to stop. Maybe it bounces back up. Maybe I didn't need to take a $200 loss on it, but I'm just not going to risk it all of a sudden flushing deeper to the downside. Because I can always get back in. And if you've seen any of my past videos, you've seen me make more than $200 in a trade. So, but yeah, wow, just didn't really seem to care. All right, well, maybe I can get another opportunity here. Change strike prices here. Try 140 here if this thing wants to make another push to the downside. If you hear typing, that is just me making alerts in the private trading group that I offer. Well, I think I would have maybe been okay. Let's see. Oh yeah, there I would have been all right, but I'm talking in hindsight right now. Had this thing been continue to drop and drop and drop, I'd be sitting there saying, why didn't I just get out for that $200 loss? So that's good old hindsight for you. It happens. All right, I will go ahead and pause. Well, sometimes all you can do is laugh at yourself. I don't know if I sold the exact bottom, but yeah, I got out pretty close to the bottom here before it decided to turn itself around. Like I said, it just went down too far through those moving averages, and I had to cut it. But yeah, sometimes the market's got a cruel sense of humor like this. Go down, take you out, and then literally just go straight right back up, form the V-shaped recovery. But well, I guess I can't say it happens to everybody, but it certainly has happened to me before, happened again, and it'll happen in the future. That's just part of, honoring stops. Sometimes you'll stop out and then this will happen. But just know that if it's ever happened to you, good job in the risk management department and you're not alone. All right, going to try for a put here at 142. Let's go to 140 instead, actually. There we go. Nope, just not filling me. 136 more so the accurate point. This thing really is going to go back up to highs. Try 135. Oh. All right, I'll pause. I'm going to try for a put here at 145. Got that at 145. This action is just crazy. So out there for a five, I might just need to be done. This is ridiculous action. Yeah, you can hear the frustration in my voice. Yeah, I maybe just need to go for a walk. Or maybe it is really that. It's either me or the action, something's off. All right, I will pause. I have an order at 180. Did not get filled. I'm going to cancel that out now at this point. I'll pause. All right, going to try for a put here at 180. All right, I will pause. All right, going to try at 175 here now instead. Nope, did not fill me. Go to 165. Perhaps I should be up around 175 if this is a fake break. Nope, not filling me though. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I'm going to try at 172 here. Look at this. I just can't. About 175. Nope. All right, I'll pause. All right, going to try at 175 here. Nope, can't even get filled there. All right, I'll pause. I'm going to try 170 here. Nope. All right, at this point, I think I'll just wait until I get filled because I understand this is probably frustrating. But it's also just showing these, it's definitely a difficult fill, no doubt about it. But I'll pause. All right, going to try 170 here. Wow, that was still a few dollars off the bid. All right, I'll pause. All right, I am in here at 127 for a call. Okay, 127 with a call. And out there for $300 on that one. Actually, typed it in wrong, so I went to sell. It wasn't even in there, so I had to retype 130. So that was clearly not me trying to get back my entire loss or anything like that, just trying to reduce the hole a little bit. And I was able to do that by $300, which was good. All right, I'll pause and let's see if I can maybe find something else. All right, going to try for one at 139. Didn't get it. Wasn't sure if I could sneak one in here right at the top that area, but as you saw, it wasn't going to film me, so never mind on that. I figured that would have been a little too good to be true to be able to get a fill right at the moment. It was at that level at 139, but yeah, I did not outsmart the market. I'm going to go for one here at 98. Got that. A put, that is. Wow. This action is just, I mean, I was going for a modest $100 and I struggled to even get that. Look at this. How far down does it need to go to get me out at 99? Oh, I am officially done for the day. Holy smokes, that was ridiculous. All right, well, I'm ending down $300 on the day. And just, yeah, a day that I'll be happy to just leave behind, and a day that I'm glad the market doesn't normally trade like this, but kind of a perfect trade to end on to just illustrate. Yeah, that again. Now, if I'm going for, $400, $500, $600, $700, scalp or whatever, I totally get it. You shouldn't expect that to just happen easy breezy, even though sometimes it does if you watch past videos. But normally speaking, you shouldn't expect for that. But on these sorts of options, a $100 move like that should not have taken as long as it did. That was crazy for just $100. But anyways, if you enjoy these, if you appreciate that transparency of me showing a red day, then I appreciate, or if you hit the like button, really appreciate that. Even better yet, leave a comment. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you know when new live trade videos like this are put out. And also, once more, if you want to learn more about options, just comment below option guide, and I will link you to that free class. So yeah, I am moving on with the day. And if you've ever had a day like this, no worries, you are not alone. Thanks for watching.
First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.